is about 6:30 in the morning right now, which never happens for the Medic Magic team. We want to get the car completely done, other than the full exhaust, because we don't have the full exhaust yet. We have basically an open downpipe. The reason I'm up at 6:30 and Ben's gonna meet me at the shop at like 8 is because I have to run a special mission this morning. Yesterday when I left work, I accidentally made a mistake, a costly mistake. Didn't get my helmet, took somebody else's helmet. And unfortunately, the guy's helmet that I took today, or yesterday, works today. Let's go. No clutch slip. Alright guys, I am almost to my destination, up here at the base, dropping off this helmet so that my boy can fly high today and be alright. We are here at the Jiffy, not Jiffy Lube, but Jiffy something. Fuel up real quick and get this show on the road. Sucking down a couple red lines. Thank you, Andrew Bell, for the red line. Another thing I've been slightly obsessed with lately, and it's very, very good, surprisingly, these little Forte coffees, which they are, I get these at Sheetz all the time. They're right by like the 5-hour energies, which I like the 5-hour energy, but they're like $3 and like 29 or 49 cents. And these things are only like $2.29 or $2.49. So this is absolutely insane. I swear, every single time I come to work and I'm driving on I-80, there is at least one beached semi-truck with the trailer still attached. That time there was 2. It hasn't even snowed up here in a while. Like, look at this, look at this. Look at all the shrapnel, look at that. There's just pieces of semi-truck past on the side of the road. All right, so what all do we have to do today, Ben?
We actually have to do everything today, so absolutely everything.
Can you specify what everything is?
We're gonna have to take off the turbo manifold, wrap it with the heat wrap. We're gonna have to pull out the fuel pump.
Do you have any dry erase markers?
No, I don't.
We could have wrote on the hood with dry erase marker what we needed to do.
Or we could just like write it on the computer or something.
That's dumb. We need like something like real dramatic that we're like Xing stuff off.
We also need to put in the fuel rail.
Speak up.
Fuel injectors, fuel rail.
That's it.
Haltech needs installed.
How hard's that?
I don't know. I mean, it's plug and play.
Boy. What's that mean? Man, it's shorts kind of weather. Shorts and brown trail shoes.
That is the combination that gets stuff done.
Damn.
These are,
we'll see by the end of the night. What happened to our tunes? How about somebody commented the other day and goes, man, anytime I can hear you guys' music, you guys got some really sweet music going on. DJ Medic Magic in the house. Also, for all you S2K fans out there, Medic Magic S2K outline, swankymods.com. Go get one, support the channel. And if you send me a picture with your shirt on, you'll get featured on my Instagram. So right now we're getting the entire turbo and the manifold off to be able to wrap the... I think that heat shield will fit in here, Ben. Next thing up is the V-band. Take that off, and then we can get the turbo off, and then get the manifold off. Yeah.
You got somewhere to put that?
All right, now that that's taken care of, man, this camera's getting warm. All I gotta do now is take the manifold off, right.
Okay, put this rag in.
Good thing you got that helmet on.
Man, she's tight.
Alright, well, everything's out of here. That actually didn't take too long at all. It's really easy taking it all apart. Things I've learned in life. It's always easy taking stuff apart. Not easy putting it back together. Right? That's a hell of a goat you got going on there.
Yeah.
Damn. Good. It's like a compass. It's like always pointing north. I'm gonna dub in like a man, where's I know where Teddy goes. I gotta go get drunk and waste my day away. That's what he said. He's going to some beer fest. I was like, Teddy, don't you want to build super drift cars? And he goes, no, I like getting drunk more. So I don't know, life's all about decisions. Gotta make decisions. I'd rather be up here building turbskis. Hopefully Teddy's mom doesn't see this. So now we gotta start wrapping the header and the screamer pipe. Is there gonna be enough? No, too well.
No, it is. It's just for these things.
Man, this stuff is thick.
Don't touch that with your hand.
Why?
Why were you touching that?
Why? What's wrong?
It's all fiberglass.
You didn't tell me that.
So I can't leave you alone.
What do you mean?
I'm over here trying to clean stuff. You can't touch that with your hands.
So I want to get 2 of the boneless chicken meal deal garlic. What's your guys' GC kickers? Is that like a Louisiana liquor or something? Jalapeno poppers? Deep fried pickles. Alright, so the header, downpipe, and screamer pipe are all wrapped. Ben's over here working on the fuel rail. How many cc's were those, Ben? 500? 500?
Yeah, 1,000.
600? Thanks to the guys over at, who was it that sent us up?
Deutschworks.
Deutschworks, thank you. So here's what the car looks like right now. I'm about to reinstall the manifold, turbo, screamer, and downpipe. Let's do a little medic magic here. Alright, well the manifold is on, the turbo's back on, the screamer pipe, the external wastegate, and the turbo blank is on. Ben's finishing up the fuel rail. We need to plug in the Haltech, and then what else, Ben? Just swap out the fuel pump? Maybe 20 minutes?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, how hard could that be? Just a couple bolts. Here's this pretty girl. And the truck. If you guys think Ben should lift the truck and put some big wheels and tires on it, vote no. Actually, I don't know. Anyways, it's getting close to start doing some visual mods. Look how nice this is back here. I cannot wait to have garage parties and stuff. The car's almost done. We're gonna get the bumper back on, but unfortunately this bumper's being a little... Chance of this just coming off.
Not good. Man! Man! I hear little people crying in Japan.
Trauma shears. Like 98 cents on Amazon.
Dude, just get some heat.
Get the heat then.
I'm holding the bumper and the camera. Look, you're going right through there. Need a little more?
Maybe like right in there. Don't bubble that paint though. There you go. That's probably good. Oh man, this is gonna just look so great. Nice.
Watch yourself.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, that looks 1,000 times better, really. Look at that.
Oh man, that looks nuts. Woo woo! Woo woo! Alright, very important moment in time. Everything's done. Almost. Still gonna run the gauges, but everything else is done. Everything's tight, everything's been gone over, everything's ready to rock and roll. Now we need to see if the hood's gonna clear, and then put in the fuel pump and plug in the computer. So let's see if the hood's gonna clear. It's the most important part right now. It's late, it's still not done. We're so close though. We just got the Haltech installed. The entire back's ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Trunks all put together. I gotta do the work tomorrow, so Ben doesn't, so he's gonna come up here and finish the car. Dang. Oh, I forgot my mics are at home.
Oh,
Good check those up. So, my cards should be coming this week. YouTube cards.
Oh, nice.
So. I know. Anyways, guys, thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know what you're thinking. See you later. Peace.